A very warm welcome to Extropy. I am Subhamay Chattaraj and the topic of our video today is the question on circle which came in WBJ 2020. So there was this single question which came in WBJ 2020. The question is in front of you. If you want to give it a try, pause the video and give it a shot. So now let us discuss the question. So the question says the equation of a circle of radius root 17 with center on the positive side of the x-axis and through the point 0, 1 is. So we have three key important information in it, that is the radius is root over 17, the center lies on the positive side of the x-axis and the circle passes through the point 0, 1. So with this three information we can easily go to the correct option. This is a single correct option question. So that question boils down to these three important points, and for any question in coordinate geometry it is quite recommended to draw the rough sketch of the question because it helps us to get clarity that in which way we should go to get to our final answer. So now let us draw the rough figure. The circle passes through the point 0, 1. This point is 0, 1, right? And the center is on the positive side of the x-axis. Let the center be alpha, 0. So now let us draw the circle. So this is our circle. I hope it is. And as it is already defined that the center is on x-axis, therefore the y coordinate should be 0. That's why I have taken 0 over here. And as the center is on the positive side of the x-axis, another important point is alpha should be more than 0, right? Therefore another key point we have got that alpha is more than 0. Now with this thing we can get to our solution easily, because this point lies on the circle and this is the center. The distance from the center to any point on the circle on the circumference is equal to the radius. So if you apply the distance formula, that is the distance between alpha 0 and 0, 1, you should get it equal to root under 17. So this is actually what we need to do. Along with that, we should keep it in mind that alpha is more than 0. So let us apply the distance formula. Alpha minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 1 whole square root under equals to root under 17. So this becomes root under alpha square plus 1 equals to root under 17. If you square both the sides, this becomes alpha square plus 1 equals to 17. Therefore alpha square equals to 16 and alpha should be plus 4. We will not take minus 4 as it is already decided, means we already came to this conclusion that alpha should be more than 0. Therefore alpha equals to plus 4. So what we now know is that the center of the circle is 4, 0 and the radius is root under 17. So applying the most basic form of circle equation, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square, where h and k are the center of the circle and r is the radius. We using that x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equals to root under 17 whole square. So this becomes x square minus 8x plus 16 plus y square equals to 17. Therefore x square plus y square minus 8x minus 1 equals to 0. And this was our option A. Therefore option A is the correct answer. This is one way to reach the solution, and I will show you another way. The standard way to represent any circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. For this, the circle has center minus g, minus f, and the radius is root under g square plus f square minus c. This is the standard way of representing the equation of a circle. So you can see that if you divide the coefficient of x by minus 2, you get the x coordinate of your center, and if you divide the coefficient of y with minus 2, you get the y coordinate of your center. 2gx by minus 2 equals to, not 2gx, actually the coefficient, therefore 2g by minus 2 equals to minus g, and 2f by minus 2 equals to minus f. So this is the way to get the center of any circle. So we try with the options given to us. The first option is x square plus y square minus 8x minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, the coefficient of x is minus 8 divided by minus 2, you get 4. The coefficient of y is 0 divided by minus 2, because there is no y term, right? So the coefficient should have been 0. Therefore, it is 0. Therefore, the center is 4, 0. So the first point is satisfied, that the center is 4, 0. Now, as there are 4 options, so we should also check for the radius, that is the radius also root 17. For that, what I told you, that r equals to root under g square plus f square minus c. Therefore, r equals to root under, here it is 16 plus 0 and minus c. Therefore, minus of minus 1 equals to root under 17. Therefore, r equals to root under 17 units. So both the criteria are fulfilled. Therefore, the option is the correct option. So these are the two ways to get to the final solution. If you get the point that 4, 0 is the center of the circle. So whichever way you find easier, you do that in the exam. The main aim is to save time. We need to steal minutes from hours. And I hope these two ways of solution were quite interesting to you and you found this video helpful. If you have any suggestions, feel free to comment down below, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.